In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an animated progress bar in Canva. So to do this, you want to open up a new template, see video here, press video again, and it will give us a blank template. So to make the progress bar itself, we will press elements here, search shape, press enter, and then you will see some shapes here. To change the color, press here, change it. Then you can do some things. Just like that. So as we're creating a video, there is a timeline here. So I'm going to make each one of these 1 second long. So that is our loading bar made. In order to animate it or add a progress bar onto it, duplicate page, and then go back to elements, grab another shape, change the color of this to say green, and this will be the progress bar. So that's the first slide for 1 second, and then yeah, do the same thing for the whole of that. So this is the progress bar done. If we press play, you will see the progress bar working as a video. If you want to share, press here, download, send to people, and etc. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.